Hello everyone, so I have SK30, SK31 and SK40 with me. So let's see how these things compare side by side. So I'll go directly to the highest brightness so that it is comparable. Oops. Okay, so let's start with the SK30 and SK31 on my right. So double click, this is SK30 and this is SK31. Both are really good. So looking at the pool, you can see, so this is SK30. Now this is SK31. Oops. Yeah. Here we have the SK31. So let's see the tree side by side. So this is SK31 and this is SK30. So SK31 is definitely much brighter than the SK30, which has the SFT70, and it does have a larger light emitting surface. So both are getting really hot and I think both of them have stepped down. So let's cycle one more time. SK30, SK31. So SK30 has slightly more concentrated hotspot. SK31 has a slightly larger hotspot. Let's bring SK40. So on my left is the SK31 and on my right we have the SK40. So this also has SFT70 and this is LHP73B. So let's see how these two perform. Double click. Here we have, this is SK40 and it's very throwy because it has a slightly larger head and you can already see it is able to throw really well. It has a good hotspot and good amount of spill. So let's get a SK31. Now if I just concentrate on this edge of the tree, oops. Yeah. So here is the SK40 and this is SK31. You can see the difference, right? So let's do it one more time. So this is SK40 in turbo. And this is SK31 in turbo. My goodness. It's literally like a wall of light. So let's see the pole, or just let's focus on the center part where we have the small concrete dice. So double click. So this is SK40 and this is SK31 side by side. So SK40 has a tighter hotspot and you can see edge to edge, right? And this is SK31. Now it is stepping down. So if I half press, it goes up. Let's get the SK40 one more time. So SK40, double click. Oops, yeah. So you can see side by side. Crazy. And both of them are getting really hot. And switch it off. So here we have all three generation. This is SK30, SK31, which is the brand new edition, and the SK40.